Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mara and you're in flight lead on this service to London Heathrow. We'd like to welcome you all on board on today's flight. Special welcome for those of you who are returning from executive class or those of you who are joining One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. You must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When operating overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injuries. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, please visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be